Only have a few hours left before your GitHub Copilot GH-300 exam? Then every minute counts. Many candidates spend their final study session rereading notes instead of testing whether they can answer Microsoft's scenario-based questions, and that's where they lose valuable marks. If you're a candidate preparing for the Microsoft GitHub Copilot Certification, this video is designed to help you maximize your remaining study time with advanced GH-300-style practice questions, detailed explanations, and the exam reasoning behind each answer. Pause at each question, think through the scenario, then compare your reasoning with the explanation before moving on. This mirrors the decision-making you'll need during the real certification exam. Let's get started. Question 1. A company enables GitHub Copilot Enterprise for multiple development teams. Management wants Copilot Chat to generate responses using internal engineering documentation, coding standards, and architecture guidelines stored within GitHub. Which feature best satisfies this requirement? A. Repository rules. B. GitHub models. C. Knowledge bases. D. Dependabot alerts. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is C. Knowledge bases. Explanation. Knowledge bases extend GitHub Copilot by grounding its responses using approved organizational documentation. Instead of relying only on the language model's general knowledge, Copilot can reference internal repositories and documentation, making responses more accurate and aligned with company standards. Question 2. A financial organization requires developers to review every AI-generated suggestion before code is committed. Which GitHub Copilot principle is primarily being enforced? A. Automation without oversight. B. Human verification of AI output. C. Automatic deployment. D. Continuous prompt optimization. Think carefully. This is where many candidates slip. The correct answer is B. Human verification of AI output. Explanation. GitHub Copilot is designed as an AI assistant, not an autonomous developer. Developers remain responsible for validating correctness, security, performance, compliance, and maintainability before accepting generated code. Human oversight is a fundamental responsible AI practice and an important concept measured in the GH-300 exam. Quick study tip. If you're preparing seriously for the GH-300 certification, don't rely only on reading documentation. Practice with scenario-based questions that explain why each answer is correct. Resources like searchhero.com can be a useful addition to your study plan alongside Microsoft's official learning materials and hands-on experience with GitHub Copilot. Question 3. What are the potential limitations of GitHub Copilot in maintaining existing code bases? A. GitHub Copilot resolves all merge conflicts automatically. B. GitHub Copilot may not fully understand large code bases. C. GitHub Copilot always understands the entire code base. D. GitHub Copilot can refactor up to 10,000 lines of code. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is B. GitHub Copilot may not fully understand large code bases. Explanation. Copilot may not always understand the full context or complex dependencies in large code bases, and suggestions may require significant review. This proves that the main limitation is a lack of deep awareness of complex or large code-base contexts. Question 4. An organization wants GitHub Copilot to answer questions using internal repositories, documentation, and organizational knowledge. Which licensing option best meets this requirement? A. GitHub Free. B. GitHub Pro. C. GitHub Copilot Business. D. GitHub Copilot Enterprise. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is D. GitHub Copilot Enterprise. Explanation. GitHub Copilot Enterprise extends business capabilities by providing deeper integration with organizational knowledge, enabling developers to retrieve relevant information from approved internal resources. This significantly improves productivity and consistency across development teams, making it the preferred choice for large enterprises with extensive documentation. Question 5. A developer accepts AI-generated code without reviewing it because it successfully compiles. Which risk best describes this situation? A. Increased productivity. B. hidden security or logic vulnerabilities. C. Improved maintainability. D. Reduced technical debt. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is B. Hidden security or logic vulnerabilities. Explanation: AI-generated code may compile successfully, but still contain security flaws, logic errors, or inefficient implementations. Reviewing and testing the code is essential before using it. Question 6. What is the primary purpose of Microsoft Copilot agents? A. Replace Microsoft Teams. B. Automate and perform specialized business tasks. C. Manage Windows updates. D. Monitor network traffic. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is B. Automate and perform specialized business tasks. Explanation: Copilot agents extend Microsoft 365 Copilot by handling specialized workflows, answering domain-specific questions, and automating repetitive business processes. Organizations can customize these agents to improve productivity across departments. Great job completing all these GitHub Copilot GH-300 practice questions. Remember, success on the exam isn't about memorizing answers. It's about understanding the reasoning behind them. For more realistic practice questions and study resources, visit certshero.com to continue your preparation. If this video helped, leave a comment with your score, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more Microsoft certification content. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your GH-300 exam.